Hello, my name is Fisha Simo. My nickname is M. My number is 41. Today I will make some Thai food salad. If you're ready, let's go start. Here what you need to prepare: some grape, red apple, green apple, tomato, dragon fruit, and melon. Step 1. Wash the fruit with clean water. Step 2. Cut the fruit into the small pieces. Step 3. Make dipping sauce by mix sugar, beet salt, slightly, and lime together, and mix them together. Step 4. Mix food and dipping sauce together. Step 5. Put the fruit salad on a plate.